Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Here's another possible exam question that you can get in GCSE and IGCSE Maths. They haven't asked it since they started the new specification, but this was in one of the mock papers or a sample papers, which means it's quite likely to come in a real exam paper. So, pause the video and give it a try. When you're ready for the answer, you can press play and I will talk this through. We know to find the area of any triangle, we can use the formula base times height divided by 2. Now we know the base is b, but we don't know the height. So let's get the height to be h. So the area is base times by perpendicular height divided by 2. Now to get half AB sine C, we need to get rid of the h because there's no height in that formula. So let's consider the right angle triangle on the right hand side. So I'm going to just draw this one outside just to make it easy. Now I can see this is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. So the formula that connects opposite and hypotenuse is always sine. So sine C is opposite is h over hypotenuse is a. Now I can move the division a to this side where it becomes multiplication. So a sine C is the height. Now all I need to do here is use this a sine C instead of height because it's a sine. So let's get the formula. A is equal to b times a sine C divided by 2. I can rearrange this a little bit. So I get a is equal to half ab sine C.